Are you looking for the best no annual fee credit cards in the Philippines wherein you can maximize rewards and benefits while keeping your costs low? Well, if you are, then stay tuned as we break down my top 5 no annual fee credit cards for beginners. This is Hans. Welcome back to my channel and let's get it started. So I came up with this list based on 5 categories. Number 1 is no annual membership fee from the get-go, meaning to say there's no spend requirement or whatsoever just to get no annual membership fee for life. 2 is rewards. 3, best feature. 4, best benefit. And lastly, yung income requirement when you apply for these type of credit cards in our list. So, kicking off our list is the AUB Easy MasterCard. It's actually considered as one of the most flexible credit cards in the Philippines. Hmm, bakit kaya? Well, let's go ahead and learn more about this card. Well, when we talk about rewards, yung card na to has one of the most basic reward structure, and that is earn one reward point for every 50 pesos spent. Yung best feature ng card na to is that you can customize your payment frequency. It can be weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. Best benefit, zero annual fees for life, and flexible payment options. Yung income requirement naman ng card na to is at least minimum monthly income of 50,000 pesos. So if you're looking for a flexible payment terms as well as reliable rewards, this is the perfect card for you. Next up, we have the PNB Zelo MasterCard. This is actually ideal for those who want hassle-free experience. And let's go ahead and get to know more about this card. First is yung rewards. Guys, this card has no reward points, but it comes with amazing perks. The best feature of the card, manda kayo guys, no annual fees, no late payment fees, and no over limit fees. Best benefit naman ng card na to is that this card offer lower interest rate of just 2.5% per month. Yung income requirement naman ng card na to is at least minimum monthly income of 10,000 pesos. So it's actually not bad. I don't want to generalize it. Siguro maraming tao naman right now who's earning more than 10,000 pesos. So this could be a perfect card for you, especially if you are a first-time card holder and you want to avoid hidden charges and don't want to be pressured with how you manage your credit card. So yeah, this is something you can always consider getting or applying for. And coming in at number 3 is the Union Bank U Platinum Credit Card, which is all about simplicity and savings. And yes, guys, simplicity, because this credit card used to be Citibank's Citi Simplicity Plus credit card. But right now, with Union Bank, they call it U Platinum Credit Card. It has Visa and MasterCard version of it. And let's go ahead and get to know more about this credit card and what this card can offer. First is your rewards. So same as the Zelo MasterCard, this card does not offer points or rewards, but big savings awaits you. Best feature, same then with Zelo, this card has no annual fees, no late fees, and no over limit fees. Best benefit, is that you can get 10% interest back when you pay your minimum due on time. Di ba? Nagbayad ka na nga, ginamit mo yung card, nagbayad ka, and you get rewarded for paying it on time, which is, in a way, expected from us, credit card users. Anyways, um, application or income requirement is at least minimum annual income of 180,000 pesos. So if you want worry-free credit card experience, this is the perfect card for you. And at number four, we have the China Bank Freedom Platinum MasterCard, which is a great option for earning rewards. And I have this card. So let's go ahead and know more about this card. Let's start with rewards. For the rewards of this card, it's pretty simple, pretty basic. You earn 1 point for every 20 peso spent. Best feature naman ng card na to, and also the reason why I got this card, it is no annual fees for life. Best benefit is it offers a generous rewards program with low spending requirements. And that is so true. There are, of course, credit cards out there that offer the same thing, but for a credit card that does not have an annual membership fee, this is a good thing actually. Income requirement naman nito is at least minimum annual income of 250,000 pesos. And this is actually perfect for those who love to maximize reward points. And I believe up until now, meron pa ring promotions sa China Bank. Mga ilang sites na lang. So this is something that you guys might want to consider. You can check out their Facebook page to know which site malapit sila sa inyo, so that you guys will be able to, apply for this card as well. Last but certainly not the least, we have the Security Bank Wave MasterCard, which is actually perfect for online shoppers, travelers, as well as budget savvy individuals. So let's go ahead and learn more about this card and what this card can offer, starting with rewards. For this card, you can get 1% rebate on all online transactions, making it ideal for frequent online shoppers like myself and maybe like you guys as well. Next is best feature naman ng card na to, guys, is that, well, despite that this is a basic credit card, this card has the feature which allows you access to local lounges. Best benefit naman ng card na to, guys, is that you get to enjoy a lower interest rate of 2.5%. And if I may add as well, this is an eco-friendly credit card design because this card is crafted from 100% recycled PVC. Yung income requirement naman ng card na to, they have a different income requirement for existing credit card holders. But the minimum monthly income requirement is at least 30,000 pesos. So this credit card is actually perfectly suited for individuals seeking for flexibility and environmental responsibility. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 no annual fee credit card for beginners in the Philippines. Which one is your favorite? Well, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to read and respond to your comments. Also, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification icon para updated kayo sa mga newly uploaded videos ko here on YouTube. Again, this is Hans. See you guys next time.